Hi, I'm Jonathan Sebat, professor of psychiatry and cellular and molecular medicine at UCSD, and proud chair of this year's Autism Tree Project Foundation annual meeting. So one of the things that I really love about this meeting is that it really creates this perfect mix of basic neuroscience and the perspective of the autism community all in one place. And so I think it really allows the community to become more integrated with the science, and it allows the scientists to actually get a sense of the stakeholder and community's perspective. And so Autism Tree really does a wonderful job of bringing us all together. This year we're going to see a lot of some very interesting new neuroscience, genetics, and a bit more about nonverbal and other forms of autism and neurodiversity. And I look forward to seeing you all in San Diego. Thank you.